Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Shorthand Classes. Today I am going to give you a dictation of legal matter. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. One of the questions was what was the consideration for the agreement to reduce the rent? Full stop. Apparently there was none. Full stop. But in the opinion of Denning J, there was no necessity of finding consideration in a case like this where the promise is not set up as cause of action, comma, but only as a defense. Full stop. The plaintiffs having deliberately agreed to forego the rent and the defendants having acted on that promise up to the time of action, comma, the plaintiffs were stopped from alleging that there was no consideration for the promise. Full stop, paragraph change. Referring to the above principle in his judgment in Combe versus Combe, comma, Denning LJ said, colon, inverted comma start, that principle does not create any cause of action where none existed before. Full stop. It only prevents a party from insisting upon his strict legal rights, comma, when it would be unjust to allow him to enforce them, comma, having regard to the dealings which have taken place between the parties, full stop, inverted comma close. Paragraph change. In this case, a wife obtained a decree nisi against her husband for divorce. Full stop. She received a letter from the husband in confirmation of her own, comma, as exchanged through solicitors, comma, that he would make her £100 allowance as exchanged through solicitors, comma, the husband did not make the payments and ultimately the wife brought an action to enforce the promise. Full stop, paragraph change. The Court of Appeal held that neither there was any consideration for promise nor was there any promissory estoppel against the husband. Full stop. The husband never made a request that she should not enforce her normal right to maintenance, comma, nor was there any undertaking on her part not to do so. Full stop. Her abstinence was not the result of any promise of the husband. Full stop. Paragraph change. Though promissory estoppel may not sustain a new cause of action, comma, it is not necessarily confined to cases where the parties are bound by a subsisting contract and one of them promises that not to enforce his normal contractual rights. Full stop. The decision of the Court of Appeal in Avendon versus Guildford City SN Football Club Limited marks a further extension of the boundaries of promissory estoppel. Full stop. Lord Denning MR stated that the doctrine of estoppel applies whatever a representation is made, comma, whether the fact or law, comma, present or future, comma, which is intended to be binding, comma, intended to induce a person to act on it and he does not act on it. Full stop. The facts were that the plaintiff had been working since 1955 as a groundsman in a supporters club of a football club. Full stop. In 1968, the football club itself acquired his services on the same terms and for the same work. Full stop. In 1974, he was made redundant. Full stop. He claimed redundancy benefit right from 1955, whereas the club proposed to pay him only from 1968. Full stop. The principle of promissory estoppel was applied because there was a representation that his employment would be treated as continuous. Full stop. Thank you.